Hey, it's your girl, your favorite paralegal, aka Cassandra Lynn. Who y'all? I don't know what's going on in this Hollywood world, but some things are crack a lacking. It just seems like everybody's in legal trouble and they don't have enough money to actually pay for their legal obligations. This video today is over Mr. Kanye West, aka Yee. He has not been doing well when it comes to the legal world. He has a slew of lawsuits filed against him. As of right now, according to my little worksheet, he has six civil lawsuits regarding wrongful termination from former employees at Donda Academy. And then the most recent lawsuit that was talking about workplace ooh, discrimination, retaliation, all types of stuff. And yes, so as of I want to say when was filed, if you can see on my screen, I do have up the declaration in support of attorney's motion to be relieved as counsel. This was filed on July 8th. So since the 6th, this law firm actually has been filing um, these requests to be relieved as counsel for a reason. This one states, and all of them actually state that defendant Kanye West terminated relationship on June 21st, 2024. Then it goes on to say that defendant also will not speak to counsel and defendant refuses to pay counsel as well. You have this attorney and this firm on your, I can't even say payroll because, man, do you have the money? But you have them in your pocket in regards to if anything legally was to happen, they will take care of it. And then you fire them. Why are you firing them? I mean, you can fire an attorney, but what's the reason? And why you didn't pay these people? That's why I pick and choose what attorney I contract with, because if your clients are not those that like to pay, that means I'm not getting paid. But it's crazy that you see these celebrities out here with, all this money that they claim to have, but they can't take care of, paying court costs and attorneys, so on and so forth. So this is crazy. So to break down what has been happening with Mr. Kanye West, you guys know that he had the school, and oh man, there's a total of six civil lawsuits against him from employees. If I go through each one of them, it's pretty much similar in so many ways. These people have been fired, some have not gotten paid. And I seen in one part that they're even talking about a breach in an oral contract. As a teacher, when I first started teaching and I, was filling out my application, and then, I got accepted, and then I had to fill out my what do you call them, nines or four? I can't remember. I haven't done one in so long. And you fill out a contract, right? Why aren't these people asking for a contract? Like, there should be no there. This one dude even got hired via text message. You didn't discuss your salary. You didn't discuss, if y'all have benefits, health care, dental care. Like, you just say, "Oh, okay, it's easy. It's an opportunity," and I get it. I do. I really get it. But the thing is, you guys have to make sure that you have contracts. I don't care in what capacity it is. If somebody say they're going to do work on your car, you need to make sure you have some type of contract so it can stand up in court. And so now, if the lawyer isn't getting paid, Y'all weren't getting paid. Does Kanye have money out there? That's the question. Because he owes a lot of people, a lot of people. Now, I don't know if he allegedly fired the attorney because the attorney wasn't doing a good job. Who knows? As of right now, there are no other attorneys that are on the docket or have filed a notice of appearance. So if he is looking for one, or has retained one, I'm just going to keep an eye out on the docket, regarding a new attorney. But this delays the case, really. Um, yeah, it delays the case. I don't even know what else to say on that, because I don't even think that Kanye is going to self represent himself or be a pro se client and, reach out to each and every one of them and try to do a mediation or whatever the case may be. I don't see him doing that. So to kind of give you guys a timeline of what has been happening at Donda's Academy, I found this on, well, who is this? US Magazine's website. So shout out to them. And it just kind of down exactly what has happened since 2023. Oh my gosh. And this was written actually, when was this written? And here we are. April 26th. So this is updated on the 26th. So when that, I believe that last lawsuit was filed. So Kanye West has faced multiple lawsuits for his school, Donda Academy. News broke in April of 2023 that plaintiff Celia Haley and Shekare Byers filed a lawsuit in Los Angeles Superior Court. Per the legal docs obtained by U.S. Weekly, the pair alleged that the school failed to acknowledge their complaints after multiple health and safety violations, as well as unlawful educational practices. The court docs alleged that Principal Moria, I believe that's her name, Love, called them aggressive after expressing their concerns. Haley claimed that she intended on addressing complaints with West directly, but has threatened not to reach out to him. Both teachers were fired in March of 2023, which they believe was in retaliation for their complaints about the lawful and unsafe educational practices. A third former teacher named Tamani Meeks joined the lawsuit against Donda Academy in June 2023 per NBC News. Meeks alleged that she alerted administrators to expose electrical wiring, loose baseboards, and other safety concerns, and was told that the school was working on the kinks. The trial is set to begin in April 2025. Yes, guys, it takes that long, only because, and I broke it down. I don't even remember what video. I think it was a Krishan video of the civil litigation process works. So they have to schedule it that far out in order to do discovery, uh, and depositions and mediations, so on and so forth. An attorney for West denied the claims and asked the judge to dismiss the lawsuit. None of it is true, and the allegations do a disservice to the Donda Academy staff and students and their parents who will attest to their positive experience. Attorney Gregory Schur said to the in court docs obtained by NBC News. In the next month, Isaiah Meadows filed a separate lawsuit against Donda Academy, claiming he was fired in retaliation for voicing his concerns about safety issues. Former Yeezy and Donda Academy employee Trevor Phillips filed his own lawsuit against West for the following year, alleging in hostile workplace and intentional infliction of emotional distress. Per the court dockets, he is seeking 35,000 or more for what he considered to be whistleblower retaliation, discrimination based on race, and hostile workplace and other causes of actions. So Trevor Phillips was the one that was actually hired via text message. So no contract was filed. And then the crazy part is, while this dude is, I don't know, I haven't read the complaint, but whatever he was in that employment capacity at Donda Academy, Kanye was having him do stuff also for Ye LLC, and so it clashed, but never did this man get paid. This is wild. This is wild. There's no way I will be working and like after the first week or the first 2 weeks, because either you get paid weekly or you get paid every 2 weeks. So whatever the case may be, if I don't see a check, I am leaving. I don't care who you are. You're gonna pay me for my time. I got bills. Another lawsuit was filed in April 2024 by former Yeezy and Donda employee Benjamin Provo. In court documents obtained by U.S. Provo claimed that he suffered severe discrimination, harassment, and retaliation from West. He further alleged that West required security personnel to prevent paparazzi from gaining access to him by any means necessary, including acts of violence. The rapper launched Donda Academy in 2022. We know that, let's see. All right, so I don't know why they mentioned the babies. Oh, they're just saying kiddos did not attend Donda Academy. Smart move, Kim. But this school went up so fast for me. I really don't know. I mean, I'm not in California, neither did I work for Kanye, but it just went up pretty fast. There was no really like a curriculum that you would be able to see online. Let me see. I don't even think I actually went out. Let me see while I have you guys on there. But it's just unfortunate all around that, employees are working there and they're telling you about unsafe conditions, because it's not just about the teachers and it's not just about, for some teachers, about payment, but it is about the safety of the students. Like parents drop their kids off there, it's expecting them to be safe. So when teachers are addressing certain issues, they got to be addressed. I don't understand why they're not. Oh, they don't even have a website. They don't have a website. So can't look at that. But yeah, so guys, tell me what you think about these celebrities, particularly Kanye West not paying his attorney and firing him amidst all of these lawsuits that he has against him. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, be blessed, and I'm out.